be talking about poverty in Jordan. Jordan is a super nice country and it's really safe. Most people there are respectful. Jordan is located in Asia, and its capital city is Amman. Jordan's population is up to 9.956 million, as well as its king is Abdullah II. But no country is perfect. Jordan has many types of poverty, like health poverty, educational poverty, economic poverty. Health poverty is when people don't have access to health care, and like hospitals, doctors, vitamins, and medicine. But economic poverty is lack of money, which causes less safety, which is also a part of a poverty type. There's many types of poverty. As well as educational poverty. This type of poverty when people don't get trusted and high level learning, and sometimes won't even have the chance to learn. At the times we live in, it's really hard to get a job, and it's gonna be really hard to get a job. So if you have extra skills like using the computer professionally, being able to talk more than 3 languages fluently, could really give us a high chance of getting a job. These are called extra skills, which people in public schools don't get and they're not provided with. As well, most people in public schools have talents that could really grow bigger with support and give a really good and positive outcome. Something to support what I'm saying is sometimes in Jordan, in classes there could be up to 45 students, or they combine grades together, like second grade and third grade, and there would be like something, yep, and then there would be like 2 sections here and section here because like there's not enough space, which is unacceptable. Back to health poverty, something important I want to say is public hospitals in Jordan are really limited for the amount of citizens in Jordan, which is 9.956 million. Above that, some hospitals, because of the weak financial state, can't provide equipments for surgeries and patients, which proves my point of economic poverty. These stuff are happening in hospitals could be caused because of corruption, no funding, and high population and refugees. But the cause of bad education could also be corruption, as well as no funding, lack of resources, lack of work, which causes no money that goes people referring to public schools, and teachers aren't getting courses. But for economic poverty, it could be not supporting local projects that might return positive outcome on the Jordanian economy. Second, relying on the funding of national bank rather than working on local sectors that could give a positive outcome. A factor that influences the country positively is increasing the production rate. Some negative factors are high population and increase in the rate of people above 68 years old because they need more care and less work. Which causes less work. Some solutions are funding with specialized sites for education, new schools, and give the teachers specialized courses. For health, we can send doctors outside for courses and extra knowledge. Another thing we can do is insurance from the government and more hospitals with a good amount of beds. For our economy, we can take care of farming, factories, and then we can export our resources after farming them and stuff like that. So yeah, it's like farming and taking care of farming and local factories and exporting our resources. And encourage young people to do manufacturing projects. And yeah, that's what I wanted to say about poverty in Jordan. And yeah, thank you guys for listening and everything.